Hello students, today we perform a program of addition of two 8-bit hex number in microprocessor 8085 with the help of 8085 simulator software kit 1.0. So this is the window of editor 8085. In the right side we see there are some instructions given. First is data transfer instructions like move, MVI, LDA, load instruction, store instructions, in and out instructions, action instructions, and two arithmetic group instructions. It can perform various addition, subtractions, increment, decrement. It convert hex to digit number using die instructions. Third is logical group instructions, which perform various logical operations like AND, OR, XOR, compare. Rotate instructions like RLC, RRC, RAL, and RAR. And fourth is branch and machine control group instructions like jump, call instructions, push pop instructions, and halt. So this is a window in which we can write our instructions, or we can take directly from this instruction set. This is a flag. There are 5 flags in 8085: sign flag, zero flag, auxiliary flag, parity flag, and carry flag. These flags are high and low according to the program. There are also T state. We can also calculate T state, machine cycle, and time of execution. How much time is taken to execute a complete program. In 8085, as we know, there are some general purpose registers. A is where this is registers. A is accumulator. It is 8-bit register. It is also known as special purpose register. It can store the input data as well as output. This is BC register. This is D register. This is HL. HL register contain the address, and M contain the data of the HL register. SP is a stack pointer and PC is program counter. These are 16-bit registers. This button for run the program. This for stop the program. This is clock frequency. It is set on 3 megahertz clock frequency. Then let's start to write the program of addition of two 8-bit hex number. First of all, we provide our data, input data. It is 2000. Let's take data 02 in hex. Next is address 2001. Data is 04. 04. And next is 2002. Here we put 00 because result is stored in this place. The input data is stored in location 2000 02H and 2001 04H. We have to add these two data and result shown in location 2002. So we start a program. First instruction is LXI H 2000H. So this is a load instruction, load data immediate from memory location 2000. This instruction copy the data from memory location 2000, and this is starting address. We can put any address from where our program start. If we run this code, so as we know from hex code grid, there are 3 byte instruction, 1 byte for LXIH and 2 byte for address, because there are 16-bit address. The LXI hex code is 21. Next, it store the lower address A0, then higher address 20. As we saw from general purpose registers, HL hold the address 2000, while M register hold the data of this location. As you see, data is 02, which is taken from this address. Next instruction is MOV move A comma M. Basically, this instruction copy the data of M register to A. A is accumulator. It is one byte instruction. As you run the program, we see here the move A comma M hex code is 7E and data M copy to A. It copy the content of M register to accumulator. Next instruction is INX H. X related basically to memory. It increment the memory address HL paired by 1. We run the program. It is also one byte instruction. Now HL pair hold the address of 2001. Now the data of M register is 4. So our one data in accumulator and one data in M register of HL pair. Now we have to add both data of accumulator and data of M. So we use instruction add M. We run the program. The answer is 06. This add M instruction add the content of accumulator with M. So the answer is 6. As we know, A is special purpose register, so it also holds the result. Result is 06. It also shows a P flag, parity flag. If we convert the 6 in binary, it is 0, 1, 1, 0. There are two ones. So it is even parity. Therefore, parity flag is high. Now we have to store the result in memory location 2002. So again we use INX H. Increment memory location by 1. It is also one byte instruction. We run the program. Here next memory location is 2002. Mean it point out memory location 2002. Next we use instruction STA. Store the content of accumulator in memory location 2002. It is also 3 byte instruction. 1 byte for STA, store data in accumulator, and 2 byte for address. So this instruction store the data in memory location 2002. Next is halt, HLT, terminate the program. This instruction is stop the execution of the program. Now we run the final program. So we see that the result is stored in memory location 2002. So by using these following steps, we can add to 8-bit hex number. So here as we know, we take two input 02 and 04. The result is 06. We also change the data, input data. Let's suppose we take 4, 04 and 06. Next we run the program. The output is 0A. Because we add the hex number, so answer is 0A. If we want to convert in BCD, binary code decimal, then we use DA instruction. We use DA instruction after add M DA. Decimal adjust accumulator. Now we run the program. Now we obtain 10. It convert the hex number into binary coded decimal. Basically, the instruction add the binary of 6 in accumulator and it convert into basic number. So we obtained the BCD number. So by using following syntax method, we can find the addition of two hex number. Thank you for watching.